Development of India. Oh, there's so. How can I elaborate this? You need half an hour or 1 hour program maybe. Simple. The government should do what it is supposed to do, and it should let people do what they are doing instead of. I think interference should be less, or empowerment should be done. There are so many things. I think as a citizen, I expect. So let's see. I think they are telling me that it's better this time. I think let's hope for the best. I think by the end of the day, definitely everybody should vote, and I request each and everybody to come and vote.
My vote stands for my right, for my power to choose who represents me, who will be my voice in the parliament, because this is a vote for the country. A representative who will be in the parliament, who will represent your aspirations, who will make rules for the issues we are going through. And it is very, very important to choose a candidate, a representative whom you believe will. And I have voted for the candidate whom I believe, and to the manifesto they have brought in, and for the change. Because in today's world, in the last decade, the hatred what we are seeing, the divisive politics what we are seeing, I think we need the change, and I voted for the change.
बस यही कहना चाहूँगी, आज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है क्योंकि आज वोटिंग का दिन है। भागलपुर में तो है ही, जहाँ और भी कहीं वोटिंग हो रही है, मैं सब लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट राइट है हमारा एज एन अवेयर सिटीजन, बाहर निकलिए, वोट करिए, बिकॉज योर वोट इज प्रेशियस। यहाँ के लिए यही कहूँगी कि भागलपुर की जनता जीतेगी।
नेहा जी, आप अपने फादर के लगातार कैंपेन कर रही थी, कितना टफ है, आपने फील्ड पे उतर के देखा, हम देख रहे थे गर्मी में।
मुझे लगता है कि लोगों से जो वन ऑन वन रिलेशनशिप बनाई है मैंने, ये सोशल मीडिया वालों की बात नहीं कर रही, मैं वन ऑन वन लोगों से जो रिलेशनशिप बनाई है उसके लिए बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ। जो प्यार हर बार मिलता है उसके लिए बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ, और ये जो मेरा सोल कनेक्शन है भागलपुर से और बिहार से, वो हमेशा रहेगा।
रिजल्ट का नेहा जी?
जी बिल्कुल।
हाउ डू यू सी दिस नेहा जी? यू आर एट द बूथ इन भागलपुर, हाउ डू यू सी दिस ओवरऑल?
आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। आई जस्ट वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट द अवेयर सिटीजंस ऑफ इंडिया कि जहाँ भी वोटिंग हो रही है, इंक्लूडिंग भागलपुर, प्लीज बाहर आइए, जिस भी एज ग्रुप से है, ऑफ कोर्स वोटिंग एज ग्रुप के ऊपर, प्लीज आइए, मेक द एफर्ट, कम आउट, वोट, बिकॉज योर वोट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरी वोट काउंट्स।
नेहा जी, I saw you at the field, you know, at 42-degree temperature. How was that? How was your experience, and how do you see this?
I wasn't looking at the heat, I wasn't looking at the temperature. All I was looking at is people's faces with the smile that they had. They were happy to see me, they were welcoming, they were warm, and I'm honestly overwhelmed with all the love.
How was your campaign, and is this quite tough for your father? How do you see it?
The campaign was pretty good. I feel people were giving us all the love and the warmth and the welcome that we needed. बस अब यही उम्मीद है that they can come out and vote, because everything is about this, that one day where it's so important that you make the effort to come out and vote and support the right candidate.
Thank you.
It's a big day for Indian democracy. What would you like to say?
You only said it is a very big day, no sir? It is a big day.
Sir, many issues what issues you want to think about?
No, you only said there are many issues. There are small issues also. I think anything for the betterment of there are, of course, you said a lot of issues. It's not just about the rich and the richest over here. There are people are suffering with a lot of things, and I hope I opens up. See, voting is a hope, sir. It is not an assurance. Voting is a hope, and we are doing that for many years. And many a time people come out and vote. Now the request should not be about how people come and vote. I think the request should be to these politicians and the groups and the parties, after taking the votes, what they are doing. That every term, it's still the same qualms, it's still the same problems. Problems are just raising and raising in this country. When is it going to go down? So I think request shouldn't be about the people to vote. Request should be for those people who are taking the votes now.
Any message to the youths? Because you are a big youth icon, sir.
Sir, I think their voicing out should be louder towards what they deserve from the government and the country.